if you want to speak in English with others, first of all, you should be a good listener. What is the first technique? You should be a good listener. Whenever you talk to others, you should not speak firstly. Firstly, you should understand what other people want to tell. Then you should start speaking. So you should be a good listener, because I have seen so many people, whenever they talk to others, they don't try to listen. This is not a good habit. We should try to listen others. Then only we can analyze about them. If you want to know someone, first of all you should listen him, because after listening you can understand about that guy. So if you want to interact with anyone, first of all listen that guy, then you can understand about him. When you speak English, don't try to speak perfect English, because nobody speaks perfect English in the universe. It is a universal truth. Whatever English you know, if you know broken English, you can speak broken English, because there must be sense of humor, there must be understanding. If person understands what you say, so no matter how you speak, you can speak. But there should be understanding. While communicating to others, we should have understanding to each other. If we have good understanding, if we understand each other's questions, then we can also communicate. Then don't try to speak the perfect English. Nobody is perfect in this world. Everybody commits mistake. But gradually you can get expertise. After some time, little by little, you can get expertise in any subject. Then English is also one of them. Second point is this: after listening carefully, we should answer of any question. First of all, we should listen that person who is talking with us. We should listen the question of that person, and after listening the question carefully, we should answer, because we can understand the question, and after understanding the question, we can answer properly. Then remember, whenever you talk to someone, first of all, you should try to understand the question, and after understanding the question and problem, you should give solution. In this way, you can talk to anyone very comfortably, very nicely. And what is the test? If we improve ourselves, then we can gain expertise in any activity. That's why we should always try to improve every day. Day by day, if you improve yourself once, you will be perfect in that work. But we should remember, we should not try to prove. So many people say, I'm not incorrect, I'm not wrong, I'm correct. So what is this? This is called, we are trying to prove ourselves. Don't try to prove ourselves. We should try to improve ourselves. Then only other people will come to us. Then only other people will try to talk to us. If we accept our mistakes, if we accept that we have committed mistake, that's the big thing of everybody's life, because so many people don't accept what they have committed. That's the problem. We should analyze, we should realize that what's our fault. We should also understand, we should figure out whatever mistake we are committing, we should accept. Then only we can improve. So how can we improvise ourselves? After accepting the thing which we have done wrongly, and we should not repeat that wrong thing. If we have committed any mistake, or if we committed any mistake in past, so what we should learn from that mistake, because why mistakes are here? Mistakes will be done. You will also commit mistake, I will also commit mistake. But committing mistake is not a problem, but repeating that mistake is a problem. So understand. Jai Hind. Guys, today's video is going to be very fantastic for all of you. Why? Because in this video we will discuss about a very unique topic. Then guys, what is that topic? Today's topic is how to speak in English with others. If you have learned English but you are not able to speak in English with others, then this video is only for you. Because in this video I will tell you 3 techniques from which you can speak in English with others confidently. So, what is the first trick? What is the second point? Third point. Third point is this: when English speaking is also this way. You can learn how after committing mistake. You know, one is wiser after the event. Everybody understand after committing mistake. So don't think you need to speak the best English. Don't think you need to speak fluent English. You can also speak slowly. One by one you can improve yourself, because we should not try to prove ourselves. We should try to improve ourselves, because if we improve ourselves, then we can also understand the problems. We can also have the solution of problem. So many people try to prove themselves, which is not a good habit. We should not try to prove ourselves. We should try to improve ourselves.